Most modern houses now, we're going to an on-demand tank system. There's no tank, sorry, it's a tankless system. This is an on-demand unit. This is, it basically will heat water on demand, like it implies, opposed to a conventional hot water tank, which will be round and about this big, and it takes up quite a bit of space, and it stores hot water. This one makes it as you need it. So we need to know if you're missing hot water throughout the house, we need to know what's going on with this unit here. If it's at an isolated faucet, or maybe the shower's not hot, that's a separate issue. That's probably a plumbing issue. But this here would require us to have this unit serviced if it's not providing any hot water to the entire unit.